Hey there, friends! Welcome to the Funny Farm Animal Facts. Get ready for some giggles as we learn some new things about our farm animal friends. Let's go! Did you know that chickens can sleep standing up? They don't need a bed, just their feet to snooze. How cool is that? Horses can sleep standing up, too. Yes, no bed needed for these guys, they just stand tall and snooze away. Want to know something cool? Ducks have waterproof feathers. That means they can swim all day and never get wet. Farm animals sure are full of surprises, huh? Thanks for hanging out with us today and learning these funny facts. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun. See you next time.